Yahoo! We're here at Toshogo Nikko Temple! Tara! Pasok tayo!
Toshogu Shrine ay isang magarbong mausoleo ni Tokugawa Ieyasu, ang hari ng Japan noong 16th century. Tokugawa Ieyasu, siya ang founder ng Tokugawa Shogunate na naghari sa buong Japan ng over 250 years, simula noong 16th century hanggang 1868. At dito nilagak ang kanyang labi sa Toshogu Shrine upang maging deity Tosho Daigongen or Great Deity of East Shining Light. Pinaganda at pinalaki ito ng kanyang grandson na si Iemitsu noong first half ng 17th century. Napakaraming carvings ang makikita dito at alam nyo ba isa-isa yang nililok bago nila binuo? At alam nyo ba, ginamitan din siya ng napakaraming amount ng gold leaf para dekorasyonan ang mga building dito? Isa ngang tunay na kayamanan. This is Yomeimon, one of Japan's most intricately decorated structures. Alam nyo ba na ang The Three Wise Monkey na see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil ay nagmula dito sa Toshogu Nikko, Japan? Sila ay si Misaru who covers his eyes, Kikasaru who covers his ears, and Iwasaru who is covering his mouth. At ngayon ko lang din nalaman yan. Thanks for watching everyone. Arigatou gozaimasu. God bless.